Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and I will show you how you can connect the HUAWEI AM61 Wireless Earbuds. So at the first, you have to focus on these buttons. You have to click and hold the middle button. Let's make it. Click and hold. Keep holding. And right now, when you see that indicator is blinking on the red and the blue color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So what we have to do right now, I will put them back. You have to open the Bluetooth settings on your HTC, click to pair new device, and now just wait until they pops on the list. As you can see, here they are. So simply tap on it, accept pair, and as you can see, we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.